Welcome back to Thrani, I'm Joe B. Today I'll show you what really happens during a shoulder Bankart repair surgery. Let's dive in. For a patient who has left shoulder instability from a Bankart lesion, as confirmed by MRI, a Bankart lesion repair is necessary. The patient was placed in a beach chair position under general anesthesia. The left arm was secured in a sterile drape, and the shoulder was prepped in a sterile fashion. An initial diagnostic arthroscopy is performed to confirm the diagnosis and assess the extent of the lesion. The labral tear and anterior instability were noted. There was no rotator cuff and intra-articular damage. A cannula was inserted through the anterolateral portal, and an additional portal was established for the working instrument. The torn labrum was debrided, and the Bankart lesion was identified and prepared for repair. Suture anchors were then placed in the glenoid rim. 3 anchors were used, each loaded with double-stranded, non-absorbable sutures. The labral tear was repaired using a combination of suture passes and cinch techniques to reattach the labrum to the glenoid rim. The shoulder joint range of motion was assessed to confirm that no obstructions were present or no evidence of further dislocation risk. The portals were closed in layers. The skin were approximated with absorbable sutures, and a sterile dressing was applied. So do you want to know what happens during a cervical fusion surgery? If so, then watch this next video. Thank you so much.